So today we're going to talk about Collavate in Google Drive. Collavate launched Google Drive app so that you can directly submit a file for approval from your Google Drive without having to access Collavate application. So this is a Google Drive of a demo account. On the right side, you'll notice a small Collavate icon. This is the Collavate Google Drive app. If you do not have it, click on the plus icon below and search for Collavate to install the app. Before clicking the icon, you'd have to select a file that you'd like to submit. For example, I would like to submit this file. So I'm going to select it and click on the Collavate icon. So on here, you can select the process type and type in the email address of the approver. You can click on the blue plus icon to add the parallel approver. And once everything is done, click on Submit for approval.